Hey guys, and on today's video I'm taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Now you guys can get the battle pass two ways from the shop. You're gonna see it down there. So if you scroll all the way down, you should see battle pass if you don't have it. Or there's a battle pass tab, and on the top right hand corner you're gonna see get the battle pass. Keep in mind, if you're watching this video at the end of the season, right at the end of the season, it's not gonna give you the option to buy the battle pass anymore. But anyways, right now we're gonna go on and get the battle pass. So I'm gonna press square. Then you guys can press X to buy the battle pass. It's going to tell you what to press anyways. So I'm going to go on and do that. And just in case you guys want to gift out the battle pass, you don't need to have it yourselves, by the way. Just want to mention that. Right now we're going to just purchase. You guys could just purchase it, the normal battle pass, or you guys can purchase some levels too. I recommend just purchasing the battle pass because leveling up is pretty quick. I do have a video that teaches you how to level up quick. However, if you don't have time to level up and play and you just want the skins from there, go ahead and purchase this option because it is pretty good. It gives you 25 levels and it's not that much. So you guys could select this and just press X to purchase it. It's going to get you levels plus the battle pass. It's going to tell you that you unlocked it. And there we go. You guys will be able to get your first skin from here. You guys can equip it, go next. And that should be the beginning. Of course, since I purchased some levels, I should be able to claim some rewards. But those are other videos on another day. This video is just about how to get the battle pass. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you guys want to sign up for the giveaway, make sure to do that. There's always a giveaway happening. And you can definitely sign up for the battle pass if you don't already have it.